When I was walking in the fog, I came across a burping frog. I laughed out loud because it was funny. That frog had a big fat tummy. Then he opened his mouth up wide and burped out what was stuck inside.
A mouse in a house. A cheetah near a heater. A frog on a log. A cook reading a book. Goat on a boat. Please no, he said no. A fly seen by. A bat with a hat. A mat doing a rap. Ants wearing dinosaur pads. A head made of bread. A pig wearing a wig.
When they were lying in a pile, the frog gave a wicked smile. Hopping onto both his feet, he said, "I'm hungry now, time to eat." Before you could count 1, 2, 3, he ate them up again for tea.
A pig wearing a wig. A head made of bread. Ants wearing dinosaur pads. A mat doing a rap. A bat with a hat. A fly seen by. Please no, he said no. Goat on a boat. A cook reading a book. A frog on a log. A cheetah near a heater. A mouse in a house.
The frog then burped and rubbed his knee. He was looking straight at me. I ran.